thing's a beast, man.
I have no complaints.
What's going on, guys? So today we're here with Shad and we're going to be taking a look at his 2016 GT. His came with a black accent package. He's done a few modifications, so let's go ahead and take a look at them.
Okay.
So now we'll talk a little bit about your exhaust. Go ahead and tell us what you have here.
Yep, well, it's the X-Force exhaust, long tube headers, 1 7/8 inch. It's a full 3-inch system. It has they have a mid pipe that is muffled, but it is an X, and then they have a catback system, and then they have they call it Varex. It's basically kind of like the Roush active exhaust.
Right.
You can open and close the valves to have it how you want. So if you want it closed, fully quiet, it sounds basically stock, and then you can open it little by little until it's fully open and it just lets the noise go.
All right, so currently you actually have a remote. Can you show us that real quick?
Yep.
So we can get a look at it?
That's right here. A closes the valve, B opens it. Right now it's fully open. If you hold down the A, that's fully closed. And then you can just tap the B button to slightly open it some more, and then fully open.
And you said they also have an app for forward where you can control it through there?
Yep, they have an app. Download it right to your phone. And you can control the exhaust right from the app, right on your phone. So you don't have to have the remote if you don't want to, and a little easier accessible with your phone.
All right, so if anyone's interested in buying this, where can they actually get it from?
It is on AmericanMuscle.com, but if you want to get it straight through X-Force, they also do have some other things, different muffler designs. If you want to go quad tips, they have quad tips available. That's XForceUSA.com.
All right, Shad, well, thanks for coming down, man. It was good to be able to see you and get another look at your car again. I saw you at the American Muscle Show.
Yep.
You know, hung out for a while there, but it's good to see it again and get a closer look, because it was actually in one of the booths at the American Muscle Show, right?
Yeah.
It was with the X-Force booth. So.
Yeah, it was really loud there.
Yeah,
so it wasn't really easy to hang out.
Yeah, exactly. All the music was playing, plus it was like 150 degrees that day.
Gosh,
but,
don't remind me.
But thanks for coming out, man.
No problem. Thanks for having me.
All right, take it easy. See you
too.
guys next time.